welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to a brand new episode on North Face Rally. Today we're actually at, it's day 8, so we're at a shelter, but unfortunately I came late to the first shelter. Here's some clips from the first shelter when all the boys rolled up. I think Aman was behind the camera, so excuse the shakiness or whatnot. So now I'm at the second shelter, and the second shelter is a bit dead because I'm the first person here. A bunch of guys are gonna roll up with toys and Christmas gifts, and I think we have some boys here. Ooh, some police action. Hopefully they don't mess with us too much today. But yeah, now I'm at the second location, waiting for the boys to roll up, and yeah. Let's get to it. Alright.
First of all, I don't talk like that. Second of all, NFR and Kids for Care, we're gathered here today in front of the Robertson House. We just donated kids kits, adult kits, and adult female kits. So the kits basically include essential items for the kids. We've included notebooks, pens, pencils, some toys, and basically blankets, hats, gloves. Same thing with the adult kits. Just things that every day you need when you go to school or studying, because some of these kids don't even have money to buy books or pencils and that type of stuff. So once again, from North Face Rally and Kids for Care, it's just our Christmas donation. Thank you everybody so much for everybody who's donated, and thanks to all of our great volunteers as well.
Thank you, everybody. I'll do it again. I'll do it again.
you were selling a house.
Are you gonna donate the rest in the car?
We're just gonna take them and drive them around, and
Sweet.
any homeless people we see on the streets, we'll be handing them out to them.
Cool, cool, cool.
So we'll stay with Hardy.
Okay, okay.
Jump in, or?
Yeah. Alright guys, we made it to Dundas Square. This is like Times Square, Toronto, right? And we have 4 more care packages, or kits, for the people in need. We're gonna get them out, so I'm gonna make a little montage so it's faster. And